Welcome to Kids Library. Today we learn 10 amazing animal fun facts. Let's start. Octopuses. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills and 1 to the rest of the body. Giraffe. Giraffe's tongue is blue and about 18-inch long. Perfect for reaching tall leaves. Penguins. Penguins propose with pebbles. A male penguin gives a female a pebble to win her heart. Butterfly. Butterfly can taste with their feet. That's how they check if a leaf is safe for their babies. Frog. Frogs drink water through their skin. They don't need to sip like we do. Elephant. Elephants can hear with their feet by feeling vibrations on the ground. Sloth. Sloths are so slow that algae grows on their fur, turning them green, helping them hide. Bees. Bees can recognize human faces, just like we recognize each other. Sea turtle. Sea turtle can live to be over 100 years old. Koala. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day, making them one of the sleepiest animals on Earth. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos.